I even put an alarm, right? Good morning. I have made it a non-negotiable of my mornings to read for at least 15 minutes. I'm going out to breakfast with my cousin, so I'm only gonna read for 15 minutes today, but whenever I have a little bit of time, I'll read for like 20-30 minutes. But that's what I'm gonna do now because it just sets my morning off how I want it to set off, by doing something that I want as soon as I wake up, instead of like starting my morning off immediately doing things that other people want me to do. So yeah, my hair looks fucking crazy, but I just finished reading and I realized that I have like 15 minutes left to get ready, so bye. Okay, I barely had time to get ready. I like haven't even brushed my hair, but fit check. Target, I don't know, Fashion Nova. Am I gonna wear these shoes? I don't know. I might wear sneakers. Oh, and Compassion Co. Okay. Buenas. Dos, por favor.
Dos cocos fríos.
Dos, ¿en bolsita o entero lo quieres?
Hombre, después nos encantamos con la vaina esa, ¿no?
Sí.
O como tú quieras, a mí me da igual.
¿Cuánto vale?
A 2.000 cada una.
Y en el coco así.
4.000 de la mujer.
Ah, pero perdón.
Years later.
Buenas. Este está más lindo. Qué rico. ¿Cuánto es?
2.000.
Buena. Guayaba, papaya, caramboy. Está buenísimo. Smell like cocoa butter, my drip more than a puddle. They know that I'm the wave, take over every summer. They must be giving sticky if they ever have to wonder. Cause every beat I get, I turn into how a bubble. Side step right left to my beat. Smooth like, cool shade. And you know.
De higiene y prevención. Ingresen por la zona de desinfección, donde se les monitorea su salud adecuadamente, tapabocas y careta. Al acabar su día.
Today is another farm day. We're gonna go visit my dad and cook lunch over there. We're gonna be making sancocho today. I'm so excited. They're obviously gonna be making like their own sancocho with like animals, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to make my own sancocho and instead add some kind of other form of protein like lentils and see what happens. I haven't had sancocho on like a wood fire in ages, and I haven't had vegan sancocho ever, so I'm super stoked. Here's my outfit. My boyfriend's mom's closet, I don't know where she got it from. Thrifted, but Levi's gift store in Boone, North Carolina. My dad, Apple. I'm gonna be wearing white Vans. I just came to the grocery store to get a couple things, and like you saw that I grabbed the cashews, but holy fuck. Are you gonna run me over? Are you gonna run me over? Dude, the cashews were like $40. No. Actually, like doing the conversion and all of that, oh, I guess it would have been the same, yeah, around the same $10 a bag of cashews is anywhere else. But like it felt like so much money in like Colombian money, so I was like, all right, no, I have to find them somewhere else. And they were like in the organic section of the store and like all this bullshit. Cashews are expensive as they are, so you can only imagine how expensive they were here. But look at this fucking bag. The bag is so cute. I had to buy it because the grocery store always has super cute bags and I didn't have any more space in my tote. But let's hope I don't get mugged. It's been like the running joke of this fucking trip, like let's hope I don't get mugged. It's not gonna happen, guys. I'm gonna get mugged, but I'm gonna put my phone away now. I'm about to go inside. So cute. No. Just realized that I like, you know, I went to the store yesterday. I didn't show you what I got, and I got so many like cute stuff. I am an absolute whore for stationery. Like I love all forms of stationery, and if it's cute stationery, sign me up even more. Yesterday I was at Miniso, which is like a Japanese store, and the amount of like stationery that I saw that was different from what I've seen before, I'm like, okay, what am I gonna do? So I bought a couple things, mostly notebooks, because I like to think that I have a lot of things to write down, but I don't. Actually, no, I'm just kidding. I haven't got to like, you know, write down recipes and shit. I mean, I got already hella notebooks at home to do that, but there's always, you know, more need for more. I don't care. I'm just like, I try to be a minimalist, but when it comes to notebooks and stationery, like don't ask me to be. I got this notebook. It's just a spiral bound notebook. The paper smells prime. Like the lines, nice lines, you know. This memo pad. Kind of cheap quality, but like I don't care. It's a fucking memo pad. It was like $2. Why does the paper smell so good? Lines, you know, easy to rip out the paper here if need be, you know, good for like leaving notes for family members in your house. And I got another notebook. How cute. Look at his little mouth. Look at his little mouth, you know, it's so cute. my god. So yeah, this is like the brand Miniso. So that's what I got. Oh, and then I got this pen because duh. Frida. Frida. ¿Qué hay ahí que te gusta? Bye. Ya me voy a dormir. Bye. This is future Maria apologizing for never filming an outro. Outro and just like disappearing into the darkness. If you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much for watching. Kisses for you.